Several users has reported that the Notes tab and Note items are missing in New Outlook and Outlook for the web. No worries, I'm going to show you how to get it back. Let's get started. On my desktop, down at the bottom is the toolbar. In the search command, and I'm in Windows 11 by the way, go ahead and type sticky notes. Click on the Apps tab. Now, if you don't see Microsoft Sticky Notes icon or the app listed here, let's go and download it from the Microsoft Store. If you do see it, hang on and wait for me. Let me show the others how to get downloaded from the Microsoft Store, and I'll show you what to do next. Back in the search bar, go ahead and type in Microsoft Store. Here is the app. Let's go ahead and open it. Just click on it. In the top search bar, type in sticky notes again. Now, notice there are a lot of sticky notes here. Make sure you find the one that says Microsoft Sticky Notes. Let's go ahead and say, get this application. Once it downloads, let's go ahead and open it. If you had the application listed before, this is what you're going to see. It's going to ask you to log in. Go ahead and log in with your school or work account or whatever account you are associated with. Go ahead and log in. My notes are back. Look down here in the toolbar. I can also open it up here as well. Let's go ahead and close this window and open up New Outlook. In the left navigation, let's click on Notes. Give it time for it to process. And there they are. Now, some people still have reported that it was not listed here. Let me show you how to add the sticky notes and so it stays in your toolbar. Down in the toolbar, go ahead in the search bar. Since sticky notes has already been opened, let's right click on it and say pin it to the taskbar. And there it is. You'll see it down here at the bottom. If you like this video, give me a thumbs up and subscribe to my channel for more Microsoft tricks, tips, and news. Now, go work your magic.